are concerned. But that's not all that we are tracking. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also said that India would soon open its new consulates in Boston and Los Angeles. He's meanwhile also invited US President Donald Trump to visit New Delhi. These remarks, of course, came while he was addressing the joint press conference with Donald Trump yesterday. Prime Minister Modi, while speaking about the consulates in particular, has emphasized that these would deepen the people-to-people ties between India and the United States. It is pertinent to note that PM Modi first announced the establishment of both consulates in September last year during his visit to the United States during the Joe Biden administration. He's now also added that they have invited several universities from the United States of America to open offshore campuses in India. Of course, consulates primarily help citizens of their home country who are living or traveling abroad by providing services like issuing passports, assisting in emergencies, offering legal and administrative support, and facilitating communication with local authorities when needed. Let's in fact listen in to what the Prime Minister has said.
अमेरिका में रहने वाला भारतीय समुदाय हमारे संबंधों की महत्वपूर्ण कड़ी है। हमारे पीपल टू पीपल टाइज को और गहरा करने के लिए हम शीघ्र ही लॉस एंजलिस और बॉस्टन में भारत के नए कॉन्सुलेट खोलेंगे। हमने अमेरिका की यूनिवर्सिटी और शिक्षा संस्थानों को भारत में ऑफशोर कैंपस खोलने के लिए निमंत्रण दिया है। राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप आपकी मित्रता और भारत के लिए दृढ़ प्रतिबद्धता के लिए मैं आपका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
All right, there of course, viewers, we've seen the Prime Minister and his outreach to the diaspora community as something that he is known for right there. Meanwhile, that's not all that was discussed between the Prime Minister and US President Donald Trump. Also, the issue of the Russia-Ukraine war, which is nearing its 3-year anniversary, that also cropped up during the discussions between the two leaders. The Prime Minister has stated that India stands firm by peace. Prime Minister Modi has said that India is not neutral in the Russia-Ukraine war. He has said that India's stance on the issue has been about emphasizing upon the importance of dialogue and diplomacy in achieving a peaceful solution. We've seen what the Prime Minister had stated earlier itself. He'd in fact told Russian President Vladimir Putin that this is not an era of war. Recently, we've also seen that Donald Trump also had a 90-minute phone call with Vladimir Putin. He'd also after that spoken with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. So where exactly the war will head to, what exactly is going to take place next remains to be seen. Trump has hinted at a meeting in Saudi Arabia. Meanwhile, negotiations are on between a US delegation led by J.D. Vance and Marco Rubio, along with a Ukrainian delegation in Munich. Our eyes will be peeled for that as well. But in the meantime, let's listen in to what Prime Minister Modi has said.
जहां तक रूस और यूक्रेन के बीच का लड़ाई का सवाल है, मुझे खुशी है कि राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने शांति के प्रयासों का इनिशिएटिव लेते हुए कल राष्ट्रपति पुतिन से बात की है। दुनिया का एक सोच रही है कि भारत न्यूट्रल है। भारत न्यूट्रल नहीं है। भारत का अपना पक्ष है और भारत का पक्ष है शांति। हम पहले दिन से ही, और मैंने राष्ट्रपति पुतिन को उनकी मौजूदगी में मीडिया के सामने कहा था कि ये समय युद्ध का नहीं है, और मेरा एक कन्विक्शन है कि समस्याओं का समाधान युद्ध के मैदानों में नहीं निकलता है, वो टेबल पर चर्चा करके ही निकलता है।
As far as the Russia-Ukraine conflict is concerned, I'm very happy that President Trump has taken initiatives to restore peace and had telephone calls with President Putin and President Zelensky. the world had this thinking that India somehow is a neutral country in this whole process, but this is not true. India has a side, and that side is of peace. From the very first day, I have been talking about the importance of dialogue and diplomacy and a peaceful solution. And when I met President Putin in the presence of media, I had told him that this is not the era of war, and I have firm conviction that problems cannot be resolved on the battlefield. The two sides will have to come to the negotiating table.
शांति के हर प्रयास का हम समर्थन करते हैं और राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने जो इनिशिएटिव लिया है, मैं उनका हर सख्त समर्थन करता हूं.
All right, viewers, that's all for this bulletin. We will, of course, continue tracking further developments from across the world and the country. Stay tuned on NewsX as we dip into a quick short break.